In this video, let me show you how you can search for downloads on your iPad. So, of course, as you are on the home screen, you can just swipe down anywhere and look up some files in here. So if you know the specific file name, you can as well just type that into the search. I don't know, I have the sample PDF, which I know about. I can look it up in here through the Spotlight search and find it exactly in there. But that's just one way of getting there. If you want to specifically find it in the downloads folder, make sure to go to the Files app on your home screen, which is this blue folder icon. We get inside, and in the left panel, you can browse the files, right? So you can see I can go to my local storage, and in there, I can see the downloads folder. So I can get inside, and of course, I have the search icon in the top right corner. So again, I can type that in and start typing the information which I want to search. So again, I see the file information, right? So as you can see, I can look up the file sample, for example, and as you can see, it is going to be able to find it along my, from the iPad, really. So that's how you can do this. That's how you can search for the downloads. Just make sure that you also know where exactly you save the downloads. For example, from Safari, because we can also go to the settings and find the apps and a Safari section in here. So part of the S, you can see we have the Safari in here, and we can decide where exactly the downloads are supposed to go. So we can find downloads in here. And for me, as you can see, it is the on my iPad folder and the downloads in there. But if you have it selected differently, then make sure you search in that place. But as I showed you, in my case, it is on my iPad and in the downloads folder. So that's essentially how you can search for the downloads on your iPad. Let me know if you managed to find what you're looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.